Ah, we have the pig here. I brought in a Mori that allows me to kill the final person, so this can be fun. She's actually a cool killer. Like, I know it's like what you have to do is like she can put traps on people's heads. Which basically, like, once they finish a generator, it starts a timer on it, and they don't, they'll find these jigsaw boxes, like these white boxes that I can see, like that one right there. They have to try and, complete the trap to be able to get the helmet thing off their head. So, and I brought in a Mori, so allow me to Mori the final person. So this is gonna be fun. Now somebody's this direction. Where are you, my friend? Oh, you're working. Hello. Come here. I want to play a game. Why are you going there? You would have trapped yourself. Someone's making a lot of noise over there. Oh no. Okay, so the traps I'm gonna put on their head, I only have 4 of them, so like one for every person, I guess. Unless one of them gets it off. Okay. God damn it. I knew they were there. It's fine. I would like to get that nice charge though. Oh, they got him off the hook. Ooh, I'm coming for you next. Oh, hello, friend. I'm gonna go after you though. Come back, my pretty. I want to play a game. No, you won't do that to me. Oh, dead. There we go. That's what the trap looks like. So that little timer near your icon. So basically, once they finish a generator, and the timer only starts when they're not on a hook. So like if he's not on a hook and they start a generator, the timer will start. I think it's like 2 minutes and 30 seconds until it kills you. But you gotta go around the map and try and find the key in one of the boxes, the jigsaw boxes. Okay, where's the rest of them? Now, I saw one guy before who ran into the person who's on the hook now. I don't know where he went. Someone's gonna try and probably finish the generator. That one hasn't been started. Uh-oh. Holy shit, they only need 2 more. I have not been paying attention. I hear her moaning down there. Oh, they got her. Hello. Oh, whoa. No. Holy, she's lagging a bit. Come on. Oh, I thought she was gonna throw it on the pallet. How did I miss that? And dead. Oh, hello, friend. Hello, Claudette. I knew she was gonna try and do that. Come on, get her! Oh, how did I actually hit that? I'm actually surprised I hit that. Hello? Oh, you got stuck! Yes, I got 2 of them near the sex dungeon. Let's put a nice trap on your head. Take you down to the sex dungeon. Put you all the way in the back and go back for your friend. And in the mean of the chase, they got another generator, so that's bad. They only need one more. And there's two of them still running around. Hey look, here's your friend. You guys hang around together. I'm sorry, that was terrible. Now, where are you guys? Come out, wherever you are. Oh, who's working on my generator? Oh, we got stuck on that tree, good. Oh, hello. Okay, they're both injured now, that's good. I'm going after him though, because he's right here. You're dead. I can take you down to the sex dungeon as well. But I'm not going to because I want to get your friend because they're almost done at a generator. Okay, I gotta remember where he is. He's near the sex dungeon. Okay, I got stuck on that tree again. Oh, someone finally died. That's one person out of the game. Soon I can use my Mori. Now I have not seen what the Mori is for this new killer, so this is gonna be fun. They got the generator, are you kidding me? Oh, he fully healed himself, I didn't realize. And I'm stuck on another tree. Man, my character's fat. Someone else finally died. Oh, he got his friend back up. No. But the timer has started on his bucket, helmet. I'm not sure what you want to call it, but all I know is the timer started, and if he doesn't complete the traps scattered across the map, he's gonna die. Now I would really like to use my Mori, so I hope I can actually find them. Oh, they're opening it up. No, no. Sabotage! You will not complete that. Come back here, tap. That was a terrible move. And where's your friend? They gotta be close. See a lot of scratch marks. Hello? No. One of you are about to get moried. Where'd you go? Oh, I saw you jump through that window. I'm right behind you. Oh, that was actually a good lunge. Wait, I think I could have killed her. No, there's one more person left. What am I saying? Okay, what I do want to do is I really want to mori someone. So, seeing that they're both down and our person can't get back up unless he has that one perk, which I don't think he does because he's been down for a while. If he did, he would probably be up by now. I'm gonna wait for her to die, leave him on the ground, and then I'm gonna mori him. Okay, I'm gonna let him break free so I can use my Mori. I'm gonna give him a chance to run. Because if I leave him on the ground for too long, he'll just die from bleeding out. I'm gonna let him escape. Okay, now he's running. Hopefully he doesn't go for his friend. Because I don't want two of them running around. His timer's also started. Jump through that window, throw down that pallet. And there he goes. I'm right behind you. Oh, I'm stuck on that damn tree again. And you're... Why are you... Why? Oh yeah, the other reason why he had to do the trap thing, he couldn't, because when you have that trap thing on your head, it'll kill you if you try and escape with it on. Here we go, Mori time. Ooh, right through the hand. Oh my god. That's one of the fastest Moris I've ever seen. Like, that killer just wanted him to die. Gas heaving. Okay. Who's the killer this round? What's Jigsaw? Oh. Here's Puppet Man. Hi. Who's working nearby? Well, hello. I gotta be careful because the pig has like when the pig is crouching, you can't hear a heartbeat, so I gotta be careful about that. You fuck. Uh-oh. I hear a heartbeat. Oh! Really? Why would he run this way, bro? Great, now I'm gonna die. I'm not sure. Where is he? I'm not even sure if he's right behind me. He searched the lockers. Oh my god! I didn't know he was right in that direction. Go through the window. He missed. Oh, he's right! Come on, throw it down! I couldn't throw it down. Why didn't I throw this pallet down? Oh my god. Great. She's putting a trap on my head. And if only someone was here, they could throw down that pallet and I could escape. Come on. No! They did generators! Now my timer's going. I'm gonna die. Oh, this is bad. And wait, does she know where I am? Oh. Oh no, I hear the beeping. She knows. She knows. Bro, I was around that corner. You should not have hit me. That is stupid. You were lagging like a motherfucker. Just gonna look at my dead body or you're gonna pick me up? Thank you. Don't just leave me on the ground. Come on. Wow, you can just see the two over there just working on a generator. Well, the good news is, oh, buddy, I love you. Wow, that guy's amazing. But I think she still wants me. Yep. Go, go, go. She thought I was going that way. Yes, my friend's distracting her. I love you, buddy. Okay, the timer's still going, so I gotta start working on those trap machines. Whatever the hell you want. I'm just gonna go. I think some people call them jigsaw boxes. I'm not even sure what the hell they're called. Okay, so I have to choose. I have to basically guess which one of the 4 of them on the map has the key inside to take off the helmet. Let it be this one, please. You don't laugh at me, you bitch. Okay. When Jigsaw starts laughing at you, that means that it's the wrong one. So I gotta go to the rest of them. Come on. Let it be this one. Please. The other 2 are all the way across the map. We'll be able to get there in time. Come on. Come on! I gotta run all the way over there now? No. Great, it's already halfway. It's starting to beat faster. I'm gonna die. No, my friend's down. The one that saved me. I can't save him though. I have to do this. I'm sorry, my friend. I know he's right beside me, but I have to do this, or I'm gonna die. I had no other choice. Oh, they got another generator. Wow, we're only down to 1 generator now. It wasn't that one. It's literally the final one. Like, that's stupid. It's beeping really fast now. He's right here as well. The heartbeats went like crazy. No. Come on. Yeah, it's this one. Oh, I just got in time. I had to run. I'm sorry. I am injured. I need healing before I can come rescue you. He saved my life. I will save him. Right after this guy heals me. He's got time. He's about to go in struggle mode, but seeing I'm gonna be fully healed, I'm gonna body block. If the killer's still there. I'm gonna try to at least. Yeah, I know, let's go that way. I know, come with me. No, okay, I guess he's not coming. Got stuck on that tree. Man, trees are not my... Trees really hate me today. Okay, he's here. He's camping. Don't see me, don't see me. You saw me, you saw me. Great, I have to body block. Come on, get him. Oh, she just wants to hit him. Body block, body block! I don't know where my friend went. Just gotta run. They're opening a door over there. I want to make sure my friend makes it out. Oh, my friend can't leave yet. See, his timer started, so if he tries to leave, it'll just kill him automatically. So he's got to get that helmet off his head before he can leave. The timer stops ticking when the killer is chasing you or you're on a hook. So he's not being chased right now because it's going, so that's the good thing. Oh, here's the killer. Chase him. Not me. Don't chase me. Don't chase me. Ow! I gotta go. I'm sorry. I gotta leave. No, my friend. Oh, the killer left. Okay. I want to make sure my friend makes it out. Someone left. Hopefully they opened up the air exit. Oh, the killer's coming back. Hey, Piggy. Yeah, I see you. Oh, she's crouching. She's gonna start charging. Yeah, I gotta go. No, I hope my friend makes it out. Let's see. Oh, he got the helmet off. He can leave now. Go, 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 go. Yes. Yes, they made it out. Everyone survived. Man, this Piggy didn't know what he was going up against.